Okay, so let's see what we have studied in last class. So we studied about what is air, right? What air do, right, everyone? Okay, so we studied what is air, what is wind, what is air pressure, how air exert pressure, right? Then what is the effect of air on because of temperature? I can say that, right? I can say that when we heat up air, right, or air is heated, the pressure becomes low or high. Tell me, everyone. The pressure becomes low or high. Message low. Yes, very good, everyone, right? The message becomes low. Yes, very good, Arav. Right? Why is it so? Because the air, right, spreads up, right? It rises up when it heated. Okay, so I can say that air expands, right? Air expands on heating and contract on cooling. Okay. Second, warm air rises up as compared to the colder air. So whenever air rises up, right? Whenever air rises up, the cold air rushes to takes its place. That's called wind, right, everyone? That's what the reason for wind. Yes. Okay. Right. The moving air is called wind. Then we studied about how the pressure difference create the region of low pressure and high pressure, right? And that creates the other phenomena such as thunderstorm, monsoon wind, monsoon rains, cyclones, tornado, right? Okay, let's see, let's try to solve some problems. Okay, so see, this is the flow chart. I can say that the difference in temperature between two regions, okay, creates, tell me, what does it create? It creates pressure zone, right? It creates low pressure and high pressure zone. Okay, so difference in temperature between two regions heats up the air, right? And the process of heating is convection, right? So warm air rises as well as the cold air rushes to take its place. Then again warm air cool down, okay, right? The warm air cool down and the water vapor condenses which falls down again in form of rain, hail and snow. Right, everyone? Let's solve the exercise. First one. Everyone please answer in the chat box. Please answer in the chat box. Yes, very good. Wind is dash air. Yes, very good, Purvi, Shravya, Ragini. Yes, wind is moving air. Very good, everyone. Wind is moving air. Okay? Yes. Winds are generated due to dash heating of the earth. Uneven heating. Very good. Right? Very good. Very good, everyone. Difference in heating. Okay, you can also do say that. Uneven heating. Yes, Kavishka Purvi. Aditya. Now, see, near the Earth's surface, dash air rises up where dash airs come down. Yes, warm or hot air, warm or hot air. Yes, Kavishka. Whereas cold air comes down. Okay, D. Air moves from region of dash pressure to region of, tell me, dash pressure. Yes, high pressure to low pressure. Okay, yes, high, not higher air to lower air, higher pressure to low pressure. Okay, high to low. Very good, everyone. Right, very good. Now, second one, suggest two methods to find out wind direction at a given place. Tell me. Yes, wind vane, right? Or you can just, okay, if you don't have barometer, then you can just use sand also, right, everyone? Barometer, wind vane. Barometer is used for air pressure, right? It is not used for the direction. For direction, we use anemometer, right, everyone? If you remember, we use anemometer for wind speed. Okay, but it is not using instruments. Okay, it is just, yes, right? So you can use, yes, you can see the direction of sand, right? Or you can just see the direction of inside this cloth or any flag is fluttering, okay, or wind vane. Yes. Next, state 2 experience, flying kite, yes, feather, yeah, you can just use anything, okay. Now, third one, state 2 examples that made you think that air exerts pressure. Tell me, anything. This is something that you should come with your natural experience. That's not given in the textbook, Tuvishka, which is not given in the textbook. So one we have discussed already, right? One we had discussed already, which is flattening of tires, right? So anything, just think about any example around you. Flattening of tires, right? Then balloon, okay, right? Then yes, right? It makes flag flutter. So obviously it apply pressure. Yes, like very good, Sricharan, cycling in opposite direction to air, right? So anything, right? Anything which you observe around you, right? Which apply a force on any object, right? So if a force is applied, yes, clothes fly away, right? When there is a strong wind. So I can say that if air is applying a force, right? If air is applying a force on any object, so it will have pressure on that, right? Everyone, tell me, right? Okay. Yes, kites also, right? Flying of kite, that's also example of pressure. Then fourth one, you want to buy a house. Would you like to buy a house having window but no ventilators? Explain your answer. No, right? Yes, very good. You want to have both windows as well as ventilators, as simple as that. Yes, very good, everyone. Because without ventilators, air will not flow in and out of the house. Yes or no? Tell me, everyone. Yes or no? As simple as that, right? Without yes, it will not flow in and out of the yes house. Okay, that's the answer. As simple as that, right? Next, fifth one. Explain why holes are made in hanging banners and hoardings. Tell me. Yes, Purvi. Right? So fourth one, right? Just see the fifth one. Why holes are made hanging banners and hoardings. Now just think about this, right? You can just do a small experiment. Keep a like a one thin paper, right? Just hold it. Try to run as fast as you can. Okay. If you try to run as fast as you can, like hold it in the direction of wind. Okay, like opposite to the direction of wind. What do you feel, everyone? Tell me, if you run very fast, right? Yeah, Devika, I'm saying that if right, if you keep a thin sheet of paper, right, just thin sheet of paper, like the one used in flags or kites, okay, right, just hold it in the opposite direction of wind and run as fast as you can, right? So what you will observe, that there will be lots of pressure, yeah, there will be lots of force on that paper, and it might even break, right, everyone? It might even break. Sorry, it might even got teared apart, right? not break, sorry, it might have even get teared apart, right everyone? Yes, or forget about your paper, right? I hope everyone have experienced this when you buy a very fragile objects like a thermocol, right? So when you buy a thermocol and if you keep in the direction such a way that the wind is coming directly on the thermocol, okay, it will break, right? I was just thinking about the example of thermocol, that's why I said break, okay, right everyone? How many of you like experience that? Yes. Very good, right? So what do you think? What is the reason behind that? What do you think? What is the reason behind that? Tell me everyone. Yes, very good. Because air applies pressure on that, right? And we know that pressure is force per unit area. So obviously it applies force on that. Now, what do you think? What should be the reason of question number 5? Don't you think that the same reason? If there won't be hole inside, right, made in the hanging banners or hoarding, right, they'll just tear apart, right, everyone, because of air pressure. Yes, so I can say that the holes, right, the holes let the air or wind pass through it, right, which prevents the banners and hoarding from tearing apart, right, everyone? Tell me, right? Yes, everyone got this? Okay, sixth one. How will you help your neighbors in case of cyclone approaching your towns and village? Tell me. This is just a very subjective question, right? You can help in many ways. Okay. So it's totally depend on you how you are going to help. Tell me how you're going to help. Yes, you can help them shift. Okay. This is very subjective question, right? There's no like correct right answer and wrong answer. Aditya, question number 5, I just said that, right? The holes are made in hanging banners and hoardings to prevent it from tearing apart due to air pressure. As simple as that, right? Thus, just write down these key points. Okay? Yes, so you can, yeah. There are many ways where you can help your, yes, neighbors by giving them food and medicine, by giving them shelter, right? By helping them in shifting, right? Okay. Now, seventh one. What planning is required in advance to deal with situation created by cyclone? Tell me. What planning is required? Yes. First thing is forecast. Very good, very good, Ragini. Very good. First thing is forecast. You should know when the cyclone is going to hit, right? Then second one, yes, news, cyclone warnings. So all are same. Like you should be aware beforehand, right? Second, what do you think? Just think about a real scenario. Suppose if cyclone uh, attacks a nearby area, right? What do you do? Second, preventive measures. Very good, right? You will keep your doors and windows closed, right? You will, yes, you will go to safe area. Okay, then suppose you have to stay in your home only. Then yes, do not touch wet switches and wires. Very good, right? Yes, keep excess food and fresh water. Do not drink, right? Water during cyclone, right? Tap water during cyclone because it can be contaminated, right? Very good. So these are the planning that you can do in advance, right, everyone? Okay. Next, which of the following is, so we have already done this in Kahoot, right, everyone? We already did this in Kahoot. Yes, do not touch the switchboard. Right, the eighth one we have already done in Kahoot. The answer was Amritsar, right? Ninth one. Which of the statement given below is correct? Tell me. Which of the statements given below is correct? First, in winter and the winds flows from land to ocean. True or false? Tell me. Ninth first. True or false? True, right? Very good, right? We studied that in winters, wind flow from land to ocean. In summers, from ocean to land, right, everyone? Okay, very good. Second one. In summer, the wind flows from land to ocean. True or false? Obviously, that's the obvious answer. False. Very good. Right? That should be false. Okay. Third one. A cyclone is formed by a very high pressure system with very high. So this also we have studied in Kahoot, yesterday's Kahoot. Right? Third one. It's false, na? It's false, right? Most of you did mistake in yesterday's Kahoot also. Right? See, very high pressure system. I told you in the yesterday's class also that it is low pressure system, right? Cyclones are created by low pressure systems. Okay, yes, very good. Then fourth one, everyone. The coastline of India is not very vulnerable to cyclone. True or false? Coastline of India. Yes, it's false, right, everyone? It's false. Please mute yourself, everyone. Okay. Yeah, sorry, I just got muted. No, Manita, it's a like 1 hour class only, na? It's just the extra class, right? So we'll just discuss it. Okay. So I hope everyone is, yeah, so everyone is, yeah, Manita. So everyone got the concept. So shall we solve the exemplars now? Right? So we will solve the exemplar now, okay? Okay, everyone. So first question, right? Multiple choice, first question. A fire alarm usually detects smoke in case of fire. This we have already done in Kahoot. Where should such an alarm be placed in a room? Tell me. Yes, very good, everyone. Arav, Vishka, yes, D, ceiling, everyone know this? Okay, on the ceiling. Second one, tell me, what is the second diagram? Four schematic diagrams are shown, right? Depict the direction of sea breeze. Which of them is the correct direction of sea breeze? Tell me, which of them? Yes, very good. Sea breeze, very good, right? The answer is C, right? Air, hot air moves from land to sea and cold air moves from sea to land, right? Yes, very good, right? What's wrong with what's wrong in question number A and D? Tell me, what's wrong in question number A and D? They're not creating a loop, right? They're not creating a loop. Yes, they should be. Yes, they should create a loop, right, everyone? Okay. Next, third one. So yeah, now third one. You can see a boy is blowing, right? A boy is blowing, right? So Read the question first, right? So in figure 8.2, a child blowing air with straw near opening of another straw, right, which has its other end in a soft drink bottle, right? It was observed that the level of soft drink in straw rises up. So the boy is blowing, right? This is there one straw in the soft drink and one straw that boy is holding, right? So if boy is blowing up, the soft drink comes up the second straw. Why this is happening? We have explained this. Yes, very good. Purvi, very good. Correct answer. So yes, so if bottle is having high pressure, so obviously the pressure over the opening of straw will decrease, right? So the answer should be A. Yes or no? Tell me everyone, yes or no? Right? Very good. Fourth one. Fourth one, everyone. Following precautions one must take in case of storm, right, is accompanied by lightning. So tell me, what do we do? Do not take shelter under a tree, right? Second, do not take shelter under an umbrella with metallic end. Do not take shelter in open garage, storage shed, etc. Do not take shelter in bus in the open. Tell me, which one of them is not correct? Third one, right? Whenever there is storm and lightning, right? You should be staying in open places, right? Okay, you should stay in open places, right? Especially you should not be under tree or metallic things, right? Got it? Yes, so third one, C. Fifth one, which of the following place is most likely to be affected by cyclone? Tell me. So it can have multiple answers, by the way, right? It can have multiple answers, right? It should be, see, Mumbai, Goa, right? Mumbai and Goa and Porbandar both lie on the west coast, right, everyone? Mumbai, Goa, Porbandar lie on the west coast. Okay. Now, generally cyclone comes in the east coast in Orissa, right, everyone? I hope everyone remember this. I've shown you the diagram, right? So what do you think? What should be the answer, right? Because the answer is most likely, right? You have to choose the best answer. Puri, yes. Puri is the correct answer, right? Very good. Next, sixth one. A curtain is hanging at the entrance of a room. A long corridor run at right angle to the corridor, sorry, right angle to the door, right? That is parallel to the curtain. Okay, means door is just in front of the curtain, right? That's the question basically. If a strong wind blows along the corridor, the curtain will, tell me. Think about it. So I'll just, so the curtain is hanging at the entrance of the room. So suppose we have a room, right? Suppose we have a room over here and we have a curtain over here, right? Okay. Now, see, a long corridor runs at the right angle at the door. See this, it is not. So I can say that if door is in this direction, corridor is in this direction, right? Right. So this is a door and this is the corridor. right everyone? Okay, so if air, right, if wind blows, what will happen to the curtain? Tell me. It will push inside or outside? Inside. Now you have observed this in your home, right? It will push inside. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Right, Esther? Ragini? Yes? Okay. Yes, very good everyone. Right, very good. Okay, now very short answer question, right? Very short answer question. Why is Chandigarh unlikely to be affected by a cyclone? Tell me. Simple, right? 2 words, 3 words. Yes, very good. Purvi, because it is very far from the sea. Very good, right? That's the best answer now. Because it is not near to the sea, it is very far from the sea. Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Right, everyone? Yes, it's not near the coastal region, right? Arav, Akshay, Yukti, Yukti is here. Yukti is absent today. What happened? Anyone's Yukti's friend? Okay. Question number 8. Yes, yes, she was absent yesterday also. That's what I'm thinking, right? 8th one. Name the ocean which is mainly responsible to bring rain, right? Rain during monsoon, wind to Kerala in January, June, January every year. Tell me. Yes, Indian Ocean, right? Indian Ocean, right? Indian Ocean. Very good. 9th one. Air around us exerts dash. Air around us exerts dash. Pressure. Very good, everyone, right? Yes, very good. Air around us exerts pressure. Okay. Second one. The moving air is called. Everyone, please reply. Everyone. Arav, Akshit, Rishika, Esther is replying. Aditya, Daksh. Yes, wind. Very good. Right. Third. The main cause of wind movement is uneven dash on earth. Heating. Yes, very good, everyone. Uneven heating. Right? Uneven heating. Okay. Fourth one. High speed wind can cause cyclone in region of dash pressure. Yes, Rishika, very good. Madhur, very good. Srisharan, not east. East, na. Right? It is low pressure, right? Low pressure, right? Because see, when you talk about east, it's compared to India only, right? But this is a generic question, okay? Low pressure, yes, very good. Okay, so 10th one, right? 10th one. State whether the following statements are true or false. State whether the following statements are true or false. Right? First, if wind flows from land to ocean, then it's a daytime. Land to ocean, false, right? Right? Okay, it's opposite now, right? It's opposite. Yes, very good. False. Very good, everyone. Second, a very high pressure system with very high wind speed surrounding it forms cyclone. We just discussed that. We just discussed that, right? False. Very good, Harsh. Right? Very good, Devika. Very good, Purvi. Very good, Madhur. Very good, Ragini. Very good, Aditya. Third one. The coastline of India is not vulnerable to cyclone. Yes, Kavishka. Very good. Purvi, Estelle, Harsha. Very good. Right? It is false, right? Third is false, no? Third is false, right? Third is false. Yes, Ragini. Now, fourth one. Warm air is lighter than cool air. Warm air is lighter than cool air. Yes, very good. Vishka, Ragini, Shravya, true. Yes, very good. Everyone is giving the correct answer. Very good. True. Okay. So we have done question number 10. Let's see question number 11. To expel hot air out of kitchen, A has an exhaust fan fitted on the window of her kitchen, and B has a similar exhaust fan fitted on the wall near the ceiling of her kitchen. Right? Okay. Which of the exhaust fan will expel the hot air more effectively? So this you can just observe your home, right? This you can just observe at your home. Fan A or fan B? Think about it, right? Yes, very good, right? Very good. So fan B, right? Very good, everyone. Fan B, because when hot air, right, heats up, or basically hot air rises up. So it's better if the ceiling, right? Yes, if the exhaust fan near the ceiling. Yes, yes, that's very good, right? Next, question number 12. Why is it advisable not to shut all the doors and windows during a storm? Tell me. See, the question is wrong, right? The question should be, why it is advisable to shut, right? Right, everyone? There's a printing mistake, right? Why you would, like, why someone will open their doors and windows during the storm, right? So the answer should be, why is it advisable to shut all the doors and windows during the storm? Okay, right? So obviously there is a printing mistake over here, right? Why would we open our windows and doors during the storm, right? Yeah, things may fly, right? Just imagine when there's a like a strong wind and you are studying near the window, right? Your books and papers, they just fly away, right? Yeah, so this is a mistake over here. Now 13th one, in a flat in Mumbai with a balcony facing the sea has some clothes hung on the clothesline in the balcony, right? Towards much direction, the cloth will be blown in the afternoon. Okay, explain. Tell me, explain. In the afternoon. So, what is the direction of wind? Balcony is facing the sea. Toward which direction? Sea to land, inside the balcony. Yes, very good. Inside the balcony, inside the house, right? Toward the house, because wind flows from sea to land, right? Inside the balcony. Yes, very good. Okay. Next question 14. Question 14, everyone. Okay. So tell me, what's the direction of, yes, which side is the sea? Tell me, which side is the sea? Side? Yes, Arav, tell me. Not replying. Rishika, Sricharan, are you getting all the answers? Tanmay, Amisha? So it is from B side, no? B side. See, wind blows from B to A. Yes or no? B to A, right? Think about it. Where the trees are shifted toward A. So obviously wind is blowing from B to A, right? B to A. Got it, everyone? So C must be on the side B. Okay, right? Okay, everyone. Now question number 15. A flag mounted on a flag post near the sea coast flutter in the direction of sea, right? So it is fluttering in the direction of the sea. At what time of the day does this happen? At midnight or afternoon? Midnight. Yes, very good, Ragini, because it is flowing, the wind is flowing toward the sea, from land to sea. Yes, very good, Ragini. Right? So the answer is midnight because it is the flag is fluttering in the direction of sea coast, right? Which means the wind is flowing from land to sea. Okay? Okay, everyone. 16. Question number 16. Match the following short answer. So on hot air, on heating air, tell me, it expands, contracts, rises, descends. Two answers, right? A, it expands and rises. So 2 and 4. A, 2 and 4. B, yes, 1 and 3. Very good, Esther. Very good. Right? Very good. Now, question number 17. Everyone just see question number 17. Paheli kept an empty bottle. Paheli kept an empty bottle made of plastic inside a refrigerator, right? Inside a refrigerator. After few hours, right? After few hours, when she opened the refrigerator, she found the bottle had collapsed. Tell me why. I hope all of you remember the activity, yesterday's activity. Tell me why. Yes, very good, Daksh, right? That's the exact correct answer. The bottle collapsed due to low pressure inside the bottle, right? Right? Because in the fridge, the air in the fridge is cold, which is comparatively at high pressure, right? As compared to the air inside the bottle. Okay? Right? Now, 18th one. Yes, as simple as that. Because of low pressure inside the bottle. 18th one. When strong or high speed wind blows, an umbrella held up tight, right, at times get upturned. Why? Exactly, right? Because the pressure is applied by the air, right? Yes, yes, very good. Because the pressure is applied by the flowing wind, right? As simple as that. Just few words, few keywords, right? You can just write down, right? You can say that when strong wind, high speed wind blows, an umbrella held upright at times get upturned because of, just write like, because of air pressure exerted by the wind in the opposite direction, right? Okay, very good. Now suggest some precautions to be taken to prevent the roof of sheet from flying away during a fair storm. It's very simple, right? So this is talking about the sheets. Yes, put heavy stones on it or tie it with either rope or, tell me, wires. Got it? As simple as that. Next, question number 20. Now this is long type answer, right? Last two questions. Last two questions. Describe an activity to demonstrate that warm air is lighter than cold air. So this is one of the activities that we have studied in book, right? Any one of the activity. Yes, evaporation, right? You can, so you have to not fridge one, right? Not fridge one. You can just show, right, the balloon one, right, which is in the textbook, okay, or the water vapor one, okay. So this is one activity that you have to write with that one also, okay, or you can just the hot air balloon one, okay. So you can just do write any of the activity. Now 21st. 21st, everyone. Yes, bag one also you can do. You can make right? A hot air balloon with a bag, right? That also can be, yes, as an activity. Or you can just, yes, yes, right? So the flying lantern, right? That's also one activity. Okay? 21, question number 21. Tell me, went toward the sea or away from the sea, and explain. I hope we have already discussed this. Yes, Daksh, very good, right? So I can say that how you have to write it, right? The tree tops are permanently bent in the direction opposite to the sea, right? Because the air is, yes, right? Okay, the air is, or the wind is blowing from sea to land, right? Got it? Got it, everyone? Yeah, 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 you can write about ventilators also. Okay, any experiment, right? So let's see. Wait, what happened? Okay, so let's see. Can you find six natural phenomena in this puzzle? Try to find it. Six natural phenomena. Right? I'll also try to find it. Tell me. I'm not very good at puzzle. Just tell me what you have found. Okay. Someone found cyclone. Someone found cyclone. Okay. So I guess cyclone everyone found. Right? Everyone found cyclone. This next. Next everyone. Okay. Thunderstorm, typhoon, tornado. Are you finding or are you just telling me this? Right? Yes, thunderstorm. Everyone found thunderstorm. Very good. Thunderstorm. Okay, and tornado also. Very good. Tornado. It's just tornado, right? Very, okay, this is O actually. Okay. Okay, very good. Do not detonate, everyone, please. Do not detonate. Three, lightning. Okay, lightning. Where is lightning? Tell me. See, here is lightning. Someone already marked it, right? Lightning. Very good. Four. Now next, typhoon. Right? Typhoon. Where is typhoon? Tell me, where is typhoon? Yes. Eight. Very good. Typhoon. Five done. Last one. Tell me, last one. Hurricane. Okay. Very good. Ragni got hurricane also. Now, where is hurricane? Tell me. Row in column. Just tell me row and column. I'm just hoping that you guys are smarter, right? Seventh horizontal. Okay. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Seven. Okay. Very good. Hurricane. Very good, everyone. Right. So we are done. Very good, right? So these are the physical phenomena which is represented by, okay, very good. So we will play one Kahoot today. Okay, one Kahoot. Okay, ready? Ready, everyone? We have discussed this, right? Tomorrow sharp, yeah, right? We discussed now. Tomorrow we'll discuss. Okay. Guys, everyone ready? Guys, the code is 6443147. 6443147. Guys, join everyone. Arav, Akshit, join. Amisha. Guys, please join. Tell me. Arav joined. Amisha, you're having issue today also. Manish also joined. Very good. Game pin is 644314547. Sorry. Okay, so we will start now. The swift, the swift movement of falling water droplets along with rising air create lightning and sound. It is called. Tell me. Very good. Very good. Very good, everyone. Next, car or a bus is a safe place to take shelter during storm. True or false? So most of said false. Now even see, right? Ideally it should be false, right, everyone? Because it depends on if it's thunderstorm, right? Or cyclone, right? Okay, so ideally it should be false. Next, chain of events end with formation of very low pressure system, right? With very high speed wind, okay, revolving around is called. Tell me, this is what we have studied in yesterday's class. It's cyclone, right? Guys, it's cyclone now. Factors like wind speed, wind direction, temperature, and dash contributes to the development of cyclone. Tell me, very important factor. Tell me. Guys, it should be pressure also now, right? Pressure also, none of you wrote pressure. Why? Because of the figure, right? Okay. Yes, yes, last count. Okay, next, last question. Which of the following is not effect of cyclone? Tell me, which of the following is not effect of cyclone? It's easy. It's drought now, guys. Answer was given, right? It's drought. Now let's see those podium. Who's in third place? Srisharan. Very good, Srisharan. Second place is Harsh. Very good, Harsha. First place is Tanmay. Very good, Tanmay. Let's see this runner-ups. Fourth Arav, fifth Mansa. Good Arav on Mansa, right? So I hope all of you understood this chapter. Just raise your hand. Tell me. Right? Okay, so tomorrow, as discussed, tomorrow we will discuss the exemplar of physical and chemical changes as well as weather. Okay, right? I'll just post that in the group itself. Okay, right, everyone? Just go through the exemplar. It's already there in the Google Classroom. Okay, right? Okay, I hope everyone got this concept easily. Okay, very good, everyone, right? Very good. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day. Have a nice day. Bye, everyone. Okay, bye everyone.